Discovering the world is discovering the city where you are. In this video, we are going to discover the Ron Anthrop, also known as Luanshya Township. This is the video to show you the beauty, the colorful part of Luanshya Town Center. Luanshya is one of the oldest townships in the Copper Belt, and this township has been active because of the Luanshya mine and some other mines which are here in the Copper Belt. Do me a favor, like this video, comment in the comment section, guys. What do you think about Luanshya Township? Don't skip this video, watch it to the end and see the beauty that you don't know about Luanshya Town Center here in the Copper Belt. This is the Zambia that you don't know. Welcome to the masterpiece, Timothy Hara. Yes, good morning guys, good afternoon, good evening, depends on where you are watching from. Right now I'm in Luanshya Town Center. So, this is the video, and I'll be doing this video today, and I'll be exploring, showing you the Luanshya that you don't know. So, Luanshya Town Center is one of the biggest town center here in Luanshya or in the Copper Belt. What I've come to understand is that the market is not, or the town center is not that big, but the activities and everything is so on point. Everybody is busy, everybody is trying to find what they are doing. This is a Zambia building, but they're so cool. So this is the video for today that you're going to learn, guys. You can see from my behind, you see, this is Luanshya Town Center. This is where we are vlogging today. So hope you are going to enjoy this video. And if you're new to the channel, please guys, do me a favor, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Okay, Luanshya Agro Supplies. At least I've traveled, guys, I've traveled. It's one of the beautiful area here in Luanshya Town Center. So in front of me there is Fun City. The tour, the building is tall. Let me show you. Let me try to do this. So the building that you're seeing there, it's Fun City. Sorry, Fun City, and Chishinga House in Town Center Luanshya. You see, this is the building. Do you know that in the time of Northern Rhodesia, Luanshya was not called Luanshya. Luanshya was called Roni Antrop. This town is under Mushili, the chief who is ruling the same district called Masaiti. This is one of the town which we have here in Masaiti district, and Masaiti district is one of the largest district here in Zambia. This is what you have to know about Luanshya, or something that you don't know about Luanshya. This is me in one of the this fast food restaurant, and I was here just trying to chill a minute because of the weather, the sound, the music which was playing here. So I was here just trying to think through how I'm going to go and see some of the beautiful places here in Luanshya, and I had to move on. Luanshya Town Center has got two stations. There is the first class station and there is a second class station. If you come to Luanshya and then you want to go to somewhere to Mpongwe, you're not going to use the first class station. You're going to use the second class station, which is so difficult to locate, and you need to book a taxi to go there, or you just need to move by yourself. One thing that I've come to learn about Roni Antrop or Luanshya is that the town itself, it's one of the old town in the time of Northern Rhodesia. That's when this town was being built. And another thing is that the town is small, but the activities at this town, it's a town where a lot of activities are being done. A lot of people in this area, they are so busy trying to do one or two things. This is the beauty of Luanshya, and this is something that you didn't know about Luanshya. A lot of you've been just hearing about Luanshya without visiting the city or the Luanshya town center. This is the town center that I have done in this video. So guys, do me a favor, like this video, share, subscribe, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos, and I'll get back to you once again to publish or showcase the Luanshya, the other side that you don't know.
Well,